PatriotSecuritySystems.com. At Patriot Electronic Security Systems, we're more than burglar and fire alarms. In this video, we're going to give you some information on a system that is hard to find information about on the internet and on YouTube. It is called a nurse call station. Hello, Mark McElroy from Patriot Electronic Security Systems. It has been a while since our last video, and I'm sorry about that. We have been a little busy. Also, please forgive the quality of this video. We are out in the field right now. But I do want to show you something. We do more than burglar and fire alarms at Patriot Electronic Security Systems. We can satisfy all your low voltage needs. I noticed that there is not a lot of information on YouTube and on the internet about nurse call stations, and that's what I'm here to show you today. We're here at CURE Diagnostics, which is a brand new radiation-free diagnostic center in White Plains, New York. They do MRIs and ultrasounds here. And I want to show you a system that we just installed for their patients should they need emergency assistance while dressing or perhaps in the examination rooms. And it's called a nurse call station. If I could ask my camera person to look up here at the door, every door has a light outside, an emergency lamp. Inside the room, there is an emergency pull switch. This pull switch will have a pull cord that will go all the way down to the floor once the installation is finished. If the patient inside the room is by themselves and they need emergency assistance, they'll either grab the cord or the switch and they will pull it down. And notice an LED light goes off, indicating to the patient that an alert has been sent. Now let me show you what this does out here in the corridor. If I could ask my camera person to stand right here, you'll notice that right outside the door, we now have a flashing red light. If anybody is in this corridor, if there's a nurse or a supervising manager in the corridor, they know the person in this room needs assistance. There is a possibility, though, as you can imagine, that somebody is not in the corridor at the time of the emergency. Let me show you what happens in that case. We're now standing outside the reception area, and as you can hear, there's an alarm sounding in the reception room. Here on the control panel, you have a flashing light that corresponds with a room that the emergency is taking place in. Anybody sitting at this desk knows that the person in this room needs assistance and they can respond accordingly. So remember, at Patriot Electronic Security Systems, we do a lot more than burglar and fire alarms. For all your low voltage needs, CCTV systems, nurse call stations, intercom systems. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. We'd be glad to help.